Hello everyone, welcome to Teens Vlog. So we're gonna try this one, keratin therapy, to see if it is effective or not. So, Atin, it's your turn.
I'm moving on with you.
Let's start.
Ito ka English, ba't mo Tagalog na lang?
I don't know.
I don't know to speak English eh. So, we're going to try this product. Yan. From Skin Passionate. From Skin Passionate. Tama ba pag-pronounce ko? So, this one is a keratin hair therapy and straightening. Tapos, we're going to try here. Look at this hair. Palikod doon.
My hair.
Magtagalog na lang ako.
Okay.
Matatry natin to kung effective ba to. Dahil sabi niya, it's a hair straightening. Ayan. And look at, tingnan mo naman siya. So, parang hindi pa siya na daanan ng salon. Ayan. Sabi niya, as daily hair repair conditioner, as straightening. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin everyday, like hair conditioner. Tapos, pwede din siya as a straightener. Ayan.
Yes.
Tapos, first step, shampoo hair with clarifying shampoo, blow dry, then blow dry hair. Ayan, na-shampoo na po ito ng clarifying shampoo and na-blow dry na. As you can see, it's already dry. Tapos, number 2 steps, apply keratin cream in 1/2 inch from the scalp with the finger and massage thoroughly into hair. So, i-apply na natin to directly. Dalawang sachet, I don't know kung kakasya to, itong sachet na to. So, try natin to sa buong hair niya. And let's see. Yan. Tapos, number 3 steps, leave 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then, blow dry hair in 220 degrees until keratin cream penetrate the hair strand. Ano lang siya talagang.
Mawaghag.
Kaya bababayad mo yun kung gawin.
Yes.
So, ayan na, itatry na natin, guys. Watsons, alam niyo na. Pag hindi effective to kay Don, bumili kayo. Pero pag hindi, sorry na lang. Guys, we're back and now next step is we are going to tapos na yung 1 hour na binabad natin yung kanyang hair using this product, and now next na gagawin natin is i-blow dry hair natin yung kanyang buhok. I-blow dry muna natin siya until ma-penetrate yung cream sa kanyang hair strand. Ayan. So, we're back. And, ayan na siya. Nabanlawan na niya po ito. Ayan na siya, guys. Nabanlawan na niya. And, super. Sa tingin ko, nag-straight naman siya. Pero, kumulang kasi yung ating shampoo. Ay, hair conditioner. Yung keratin natin, naging kulang yung isa. Ay, yung dalawa. Dapat yung ginamit pala natin dito mga 4 para mas na-penetrate. Kasi kumulang eh. Pero so far, yung dryness sa hair, nawala. So, super effective. And, hindi na siya sobrang buhaghag. Hindi na siya super buhaghag.
First time pa
Na
lang.
straight siya. First time pa lang naman niya kasi nito. So, I think it works. Hindi pa masyadong na blow dry kasi nga, ayun, kulang ng time. But so far, satisfied ka ba sa naging result?
Yes, kasi since nawala yung dryness niya, then nag-straight siya. Since first time gumamit, then kulang pa ng isa. Naging straight naman siya, guys.
Dito kasi di natin nalagyan.
Dito kasi,
di nalagyan ng cream.
Pero, effective.
Sa likod,
Sa likod,
mas marami.
Wala.
So, na-straight naman. Nagustuhan mo ba yung ating sinubukang product?
Yes, of course.
So, nagustuhan niya daw. And, recommend mo ba to?
Of
Sa
course.
mga dry hair.
Very recommendable.
Yan.
Hair. Keratin. So, alam niyo na, guys.
So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification para ma-updated kayo sa mga susunod na video. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood. And I'll see you again.
Have a good day.
Bye!
Bye.